Hi, everyone. My name is Jessica, and welcome to this English listening practice. I hope you are feeling good today and ready to listen and learn. Today, I want to talk about my morning. Morning is my favorite time of the day. It is usually quiet, and everything feels calm and fresh. I like to start my morning slowly, without stress. When I wake up, I do not use my phone right away. I like to take a few minutes to stretch and breathe. After I get out of bed, I go to the kitchen and make a drink. Sometimes I make coffee, and sometimes I make tea. I like warm drinks in the morning because they help me wake up. While I drink my coffee or tea, I look out the window. I like to see the sky and feel the new day begin. Next, I make breakfast. I do not eat very heavy food in the morning. I usually eat eggs, toast, or yogurt with fruit. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. While I eat, I think about my plans. I like to keep my plans simple. I decide what I need to do and what is most important. After breakfast, I get ready for the day. I take a shower, brush my teeth, and get dressed. I choose comfortable clothes because I want to feel good all day. Then I clean a little. I make my bed and tidy the room. A clean space helps me feel calm and organized. One important part of my morning is a short walk. If the weather is nice, I go outside for 10 or 15 minutes. I listen to the sounds around me and enjoy the fresh air. This helps me feel awake and positive. When I come back home, I feel ready to work. I think mornings are very important because they set the mood for the day. A calm morning can help you have a better day. You do not need to do many things. Simple habits are enough. Thank you so much for watching and listening with me today. I hope this practice helped your English. Have a great day, take care, and goodbye, everyone.